Hazrat ibn Shihab has reported from Kharija bin Zayd bin Thabit that Hazrat Ala, a woman from the helpers, who took an oath of allegiance to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, notified him that the immigrants were divided through lot. She said, Hazrat Usman bin Mazun happened to come in our care and we made him dismount in our houses, where he contracted the disease in which he passed away. After giving him bath, he was shrouded in his clothes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came. I thereupon said, O Abu Saib, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has showered his blessing on you. I testify that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you dignity. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, how do you know that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has conferred dignity on him? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father may be sacrificed for you. On whom will Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will confer the grandeur? On that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he has passed away, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I hope the best for him. But by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I don't know by conjecture what will be done to me, though I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She whereupon submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I henceforth will never extol anyone. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7003.